We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. A little bit of sunshine and good vibes, yeah, that's all we need. And we ain't gonna worry, ain't in a hurry, everything is going our way. We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. Everybody's moving through, and I'm down on my knees again. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Oh, thank you for the happiest year of my life. So, wake me up when they build that time machine. I wanna go back. Wake me up when you were sleeping next to me. 'Cause I really loved you. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life.
Memorial video. DVD Fortnite. DVD Today's video. Today's video. We will. Today we're gonna different kinds of people. So we have the analagya of the analagya. This is all chill. This is chill.
Balikan man ang hirap, luwat lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at huwag na palikiran ang ingay at ang gulo. Di ko pagpapalit, ngiti mo sa mundo. Ito tayo.
Tapos, umuwi na si Yumi. Naglilinis si Christine. Classroom lang. Ang ginagawa kasi namin, nagbibideo kami. Memories 2023 to 2024. Mga weeb. May bagong member nga kami dalawa. Dati pa namin pinag-usapan kung ano yung profile. Tsaka yung ginawa namin nakaraan. Cleaners ka eh. Kaya nga umuwi agad sila. Natasha! Natasha! Sir! Nagbibideo kami. Ay, memory. Yung memory. Para saan? Para saan? Memory nga eh.
Okay, let's go.
Ang ngiti nagbibigay liwanag.